Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how to create a free wallet account. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So at the right hand side of your screen, you are going to see account. So you click on account. Once you click on account, this is going to take you to another interface where you can either sign in or you create an account. I will click on sign in. If you're already having your account, you can insert your email address, you insert your password, but I don't yet have an account, so I'm going to create an account. So I'll click on create an account. Once I click on account, it is going to send me to another interface where I'm going to insert my first name, my second name, and I'm going to insert my email address, and I create a password. So I'll start by inserting my first name. And my last name. So I'm going to insert my email address. So once I'm done with that, my email address, I'm going to create my password. After I'm done with that, creating my password, I'm going to click on keep me in. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on email me. That is each time there's a new purchase at the site, you actually receive an email. So you make sure you read the information before clicking. So I'm going to click on it. After that, I'll scroll down and click on create account. So for security reasons, I need to fill in this, but in your own case, it might not show you this. So I'm going to click on verified. So that's it. So my account is already created. As you can see, my account is already created. That's my name on it. So that's it.